Okay, so guys, today I've been collecting Rubik's Cubes for over a year. And guys, my mom said that, can you not buy Rubik's Cubes for a while? So I decided to not buy Rubik's Cubes for 1 month. So that means I am not buying Rubik's Cubes until January 28th, which is 31 days until I can buy Rubik's Cube. Or I can wait until February 1st, which is 35 days until I can buy Rubik's Cube again, but then that's too long. Okay. Now I'm gonna show guys. Now guys, it's gonna rain. Rubik's Cube, so you'll be shocked. What? Okay. And then guys, I'm gonna show you my first Rubik's Cube. And then guys, my first Rubik's Cube is this my first 3x3 that I got in Creekside Elementary. And then guys, turns okay, but it locks up a lot. You see, it doesn't have any magnets, but it's still a decent speed cubing. No, it's not a speed cube. It still turns pretty decent. Okay guys, so stay tuned for more videos and like and subscribe for part 2. And guys, please subscribe because we have a lot of people not subscribed. They just unsubscribe. So please subscribe so we can get to 700 subscribers. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye.